like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and nothing like them. Okay, guys, this is what I got from Whatnot. I almost said TikTok. No, I did that before. This is what I got from Whatnot. Okay, this, I paid the shipping, and I got both these boxes for $5 a piece. So it was like $9.95. I think that's what it is, and it's usually just standard shipping. But it was like $9.95. And so basically, I have $20 in both these boxes. It was like, I think one of them was like $5.07, $5.97, something like that, you know. But it was, they were both $5. You can't beat that price. And they do this on the daily. So I got some more of these coming too. All kinds of stuff coming. I'm trying to get ahead for the holidays, you know. I probably won't, but I'm trying. So we're going to just take them out one at a time and see what we got. These are shaky glitter stickers. And these I will probably put in my pile of stuff to give away to the kids at the craft show. I'm taking all the little sets of toys and just divide them up and give them to kids at random at the craft show. Because that's really why I go. I don't go to make money. I go to play with the kids. And this is a world's smallest micro transformer. You know what? This is payback to my son. Remember when they had all those micro machines and you step on them little punks? And you're like, I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. Then it has this little set. This is cute too. It's got sunglasses, a purse, nail stuff, 3 nail polishes, and this is Our Story. So I think it's about the size for the American Girl dolls or something. You know how that goes. You know how it goes. Now I got this, a 6-pack of Airwick, 5 refills. Then, I don't know, this is from Biddy Pop Towns. And this is Jack Skellington and Jack Skellington's House. That's cute too. You know, that's one show I have never been able to watch all the way through. I've tried. I have tried. And this is Make and Learn flashcards. Which I might save those for the kids. I don't know. And then these 2 bath toys. And they're just, you put water in them and squirt them. You can use a bath or a pool or whatever. And then Oka got a new pair of sunglasses. She's always picking up sunglasses that I leave for her. She just thinks she's hot shit in them. And then this is just a slip inside. It's only they call it a splash. A splash pad. You know. A splash and slide they call it. Something like that. So that was one box. That was $5 for all that. Now, will I get my $5 back? I'd say probably. I could probably sell this for more than $5. I won't, but I'll probably put $5 on it and be done with it. But you know, that's what I'm saying. These boxes are well worth it. And this, I won on a giveaway on hers. Look inside. It measures hydration progress. I haven't even seen that. Oh, I like that lid a lot better than my other one too, because my other one, I can never get the thing to land where I want it to. So that's cool. But on the inside, it has the measurements. It tells you how much you drank. For you people that watch that, I just know because I have to drink all the time. I just can't stop drinking. I have to have well over a gallon, almost 2 gallons a day. Oops, I gotta put this back in there the other way, I forgot. So you don't lose your straw. But yeah. That'll be good for trips when I'm going with the kids. You know, going up to the kids' house, because my other one likes to, it don't fit in a cup holder. So, but isn't that pretty? For free? And they just put it in with my other stuff. I liked it. Okay, then I got this. I thought this was cute. I don't know why I thought it was cute, but I did think it was cute. And this is a silly bird. That's what it's called, a silly bird. And I will leave their store link down below. And then I got me Lightning McQueen. I could sell him for $5. Let's be honest. Sell him for $5. And I just take out what I want and give the kids the other. And these are sensory gel mazes. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Which I'll take the blue one out for Raymond. And I'll just sell these ones. He's a boy. They're supposed to be here tomorrow. On their way home, they're going to stop. And here's a pumpkin sensory one. Here's some goggles. You can use those in the bathtub or the pool. So, you know. Here's a plant waterer. And here is, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a mustard. Kids won't care. The kids won't care. I'll just put it over in the kids' toy box. They won't care. And it's really soft. So, let's play, it says. Well, that's my favorite thing to do. And I got this big hair clip. Kind of impressed with that. Didn't take a lot to impress me. And then I got these apple scented pencils. 6 count, ages 5 and up. I wonder if they really do smell like apples. Let's see. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. It's not a strong scent, but it's a scent. Nonetheless. Then we got Zendaya, Little Golden Book, her biography. It was clearance at $1.79. Originally $5.99. Okay. And then here's another water slide. Another slip and slide. Here's some more cards. Here's some more cards. And here's 2 more water squirters. So, that was this one. I think these boxes were well worth the money. But I'm learning a lot of things about the best way to do it. And I'll probably end up making one video of nothing but tips and tricks for whatnot. Because I'm learning, you can really get some deals on there or you can get ripped. But you have to pay attention. And I think if you go back to, if you stay on the same auction for a while and purchase from just that auction, you save on shipping. So you're saving quite a bit right there. You know, instead of paying $14 each box for these boxes, I'm only paying $5 after I pay the shipping once. No matter how many you buy. And I'm not sure, but they put these together and they taped them around the outside and put them together like that. I don't know, because I thought these boxes were you pay a large flat rate box. That's what it is. So, I don't know how, they just had it rounded, so I don't know if they're, I don't know. So anyway, I'm trying to see if I can see the label. Right here. See the label. Oh, here's the label. Here's the label. Let's see what they paid. See what it says what they paid. Huh. No, it does not. No, it does not. So, I don't know. I don't know. You know, I thought when those boxes, you just filled them up. And I'm thinking about having my own over there and just having just one day. Because, you know, where I'm getting all this extra stuff because I'm trying to get ahead. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make up like 100 mystery boxes, and I will show you what's in them because that is a requirement on whatnot. That is a requirement that you see what you sell, and I'm going to do that and just have 100 boxes. I'm going to sell them for $5 a piece, starting bid, and of course you'll have to pay the shipping for the first time, and I'm just going to do it till they're gone. And if it ends up being successful, I might do it, you know, like once a month from now on, you know, just to get ahead. Because I gotta get this crap out of my house. I'm overwhelmed with it. So, anyway, come on back. Like, subscribe. Old people need love too. Bye.